All right, y'all, we're back again. New money team in the building. We are building and edifying not only the kingdom, but we are helping entrepreneurs grow their personal credit, their business credit, helping the homeowner or home buyer, would be home buyer, helping them elevate as well, giving them the tools that they need to fix their credit. Also, build up these high yield savings accounts. We're doing a lot of things, man, but it really all boils down to helping you elevate financially. Can we say that? That's pretty good, right? And we have a pretty tight panel, from all over the country, as a matter of fact. So, shout out to everybody when you see this on their Facebook pages. Definitely tap in with them and what they're doing. We have Jamil, AJ, Juanita, uh, but we also have some other people that are going to be tapping in. So I just appreciate everybody, man, for being here. Let's go ahead and just get started with today's presentation that we're talking about. The company is called Nove. Now, Nove, it means new beginnings. And that's exactly what we intend to provide, because the reality is we have a major problem. Millions of people are struggling financially, whether it's credit, and especially in underserved communities, the credit situation is even worse. Businesses are failing. People are seeking debt counseling, and most people don't have $1,000 saved up for an emergency without having to borrow money. And then when you go to borrow money, you need to have good credit. And if you don't have good credit, well, guess what? We're seeing things like foreclosure. We're seeing things like repossession, charge-offs, all kinds of collection things. And then that hurts that person for the next 7 years. So the solution that we have is Nove. This is a fintech company that provides greater access to credit, debt help, access to capital, and also entrepreneurship opportunities nationwide. We're a member of the DSA all the way to the NSBA. So we do a lot of things, and we're highly accredited in what we do. So you can definitely trust our company, and you can trust our leadership as well. Mr. Rico McDaniel McCambry, MBA, founder, president, and CEO of Nove. This gentleman is phenomenal. You can just pick one of these things. And if you have children, you would want your child to exemplify one of these attributes that this gentleman has been able to achieve here, such as being a Forbes Business Council member and Forbes.com industry expert here since 2020. That's huge. Also helping Nove reach the Inc. 5000s list of the fastest growing companies in the country 4 times in a row. That's something that you definitely want to be a part of. And we're looking for people that want to help others with these solutions. So let's look at solution number 1, which is credit. MyNove Disputes Manager is one of our solutions under the credit tier. Okay, and all this right here is just AI technology. It scans your credit report, finds all the inaccuracies, writes the dispute letter for you, one for each bureau, and then you mail it off. You save a bunch of money because you're doing it yourself with the help of AI technology. Then we can help you in case you have a very busy schedule and you can't tap in there for the 20 minutes every month that it takes to generate your own disputes. We can have our call center do it for you here. Credit Likes is an amazing referral partner that we've teamed up with to do that. What's unique about them is they give you a 6-month risk-free guarantee that says, look, if we can't get any results, well, then the service is free. We'll give you a full refund if no results here in 6 months. Okay, so we also have something called the Business Credit Suite. So when you build business credit, you're able to access and touch $50,000 in funding guaranteed, or we're going to keep working with you until you do, which is really huge. So these are all these credit funding solutions that we have because, hey, building credit is great personally, but when you tap into business credit, you got to be able to separate those two. And we help you through that, help you maximize funding for your business. And all 3 of these solutions include credit monitoring, including a $1 million fraud insurance policy, which is huge. That just means Nove covers all bases when it talks about credit. But we can also tap into debt because Americans are dealing with over $1 trillion in debt load right now. That's a huge number. That's a million millions. That's how much debt America is in right now. Okay. So if you have credit card debt that's over $10,000, let's cut it in half. Let's get those payments chopped down, regardless of your credit score. Just tap in with the person that's actually, here on screen right now, or that's sharing this live, As a matter of fact, put a two in the comment section if you know somebody that is stressed out about their debt load. And so that way, what we'll do is we'll be able to identify who needs help, and we can just inbox you the resources that you need so you can go ahead and get out of this debilitating debt load and have that financial peace of mind so you can sleep better at night. We all want peace of mind. That's really what we're all after. So moving into our next solution here is access to capital. Okay. Somebody put show me the money in the comment section. Show me the money, because that's exactly what we want to do, whether it's personal loans, whether you just need auto refinancing or any large purchase up to 250,000, we can provide you with the personal loan to be able to do so. Or we also have the ability to help you with business funding. Okay. So whenever we have business funding, this just means that if you're a startup or maybe a traditional business, online business, digital business, consultant, doesn't matter. Maybe you just need money for a fix and flip. We can get you up to $100 million for that commercial investor loan. So all you have to do is tap in with the person that's sharing this information. And guess what? We're going to share with you exactly which funding tier you qualify for. And if you don't qualify, we'll show you how to get qualified. Okay. Nobody leaves without solutions here. Okay. We also have solutions for businesses that have high ticket items, get in-house financing for their products. And we also have access to government grants. So you'll be able to get some reliable sources for government grants. Tapping into our last solution here. So I definitely want you to be able to understand that entrepreneurship is really the pinnacle of our society. Okay. America is founded on entrepreneurship. All the great innovations, the tax code that separates working class from entrepreneurs. And then we can see just being an entrepreneur or a business owner is something that is elevated in our society. We cherish and we praise those that have their own business. Okay. So now what we want to do is be able to go in and establish these businesses. So if you don't have a business, but you're looking for a way to go ahead and be able to start that business, we can help you out from the EIN and even filing your BOI, which is now required by law. We can help you with that. If you need to file taxes, well, of course you need to file taxes, but where do you turn? There's a lot of people that just prepare taxes, and then there's people that actually help you to maximize that return. Our company is partnered up with one of the leading edges when it comes to tax software. Our CPAs are using this software to be able to maximize your return, and that season is coming. So definitely just put tax in the comment section if you want someone to follow up with you and share that with you. And everyone that's getting their taxes done with us, you're getting a free vacation. Okay, you heard it here first. Okay, so there's a free vacation voucher that we send out to you. And of course, you just pay like these small processing fees. It's not a timeshare or anything like that, but it's really, really cool because now you're getting your taxes done and a vacation. I love it. But also will and trust, also life insurance. We're able to support you with that. Oh, and by the way, if you're a W-2 worker, we also can help you with the taxes as well. It's not just for businesses. But if you need a business, okay, this is where I want you to really tune in. Because if you need a business right now, we're able to help you start the business. If you don't have a business idea, you can join our business. Okay, Nove affiliate program. We also have a pro program, a co-brand program, white label program, and a Nove church program as well. So just get back with the person that's inviting you to this information to get the help to decide which one you want to fall into. Okay, and then that way we'll help you launch it, and we'll help with all the behind the scenes. We have testimonials from real people that have real results. All you got to do is just Google Nove Money Reviews. I know you're going to do it anyway. All right. So just Google Nove Money Reviews. We have thousands of reviews, A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, which is super huge. It's so hard to do that with a financial services company. But, testimonials are plentiful. Ms. Kim Connor says, look, I was able to pay for my daughter's CNA education in full and fire my boss. Mr. Wilford Azario out of Virginia says, I looked at Nove and saw how I could help my clients with additional financial services that Nove offers. Mr. Earl Fanbro out of North Carolina says, we became affiliates. 6 months later, we became homeowners. Ms. Keisha Palmer, as a six-figure international real estate agent, she saw how Novate can help her close more deals and earn an additional income. Mr. Jamal Flono in Georgia, he says, look, after 7 months of just being able to help people, I was able to quit my job at the airline, and now I travel more than when I worked at the airline. That's remarkable. Miss Nonoska Soto out of Texas. She says, look, I started with no expertise, but within 7 months, I was full time and I was helping educate those people, like my family and others, to reach financial success. This is huge, everyone, because we have to understand that we're in this new era of entrepreneurship that's called affiliate marketing. Companies like Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, they already do this. They already figured out this secret. But here's the difference. Instead of earning a few cents to a few dollars, Nobay is going to pay you up to thousands of dollars per referral. Okay, so if you knew at least five people that actually need one of these services, if you knew five people, just put the number five in the comment section. Because guess what? You may be really good at what we're talking about, which is affiliate marketing. Because that means that you know the problems that people have. So just put a five in the comment section if you know anyone that can benefit from better credit, from getting out of debt, from access to capital, and then being able to leverage what we have to grow their business or to start a business. I know people all over the place that need this stuff, right? This is why I'm here, because I knew that, hey, there's people that need what we have. And if you're a networker, if you're a linker, if you're somebody that people go to for advice, if you're the wise sage in your community, then you definitely want to tap into what we're doing, because not only can you help them, but you can make some money on the side. And there's 10 ways to get paid. You start as an affiliate. Over time, you become a consultant. Amazing stuff here. Amazing stuff. So now when we look at the actual money, put show me the money one more time in the comment section. Okay, show me the money, because look, we said a lot of great things about the products and services, but now let's get into the dollar signs and see exactly how you can benefit financially just by sharing this out. Okay, and guess what? I'm doing all the sharing, I'm doing all the talking. All you have to do is put this on your Facebook profile, put this on your YouTube page, and we do all the work for you. Okay, but imagine earning $100 from each person that said yes to better credit. 100, 100, 100, 100, $100. Boom, 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 boom in your bank account. That's $500. What if you did this in a day? What if you did it in a week? What if you did it in a month? What if you did it in 6 months? That's still $500 that you had more than when you started. Plus, once you have 5 customers in one calendar month, you waive your monthly fee. You no longer have a business fee. I think that's remarkable, right? But you can also earn 1% of the debt that you enroll. So average ticket here is $250 as commission for helping someone get out of debt. What about helping someone actually get the business credit built for their business with that $50,000 funding guarantee? You just earn $500 right there. And so think about this: one sale per week, that's $2,000 per month. What if you help somebody get a $500,000 funding? Maybe they were starting a development, they need it for commercial lending. That's up to a $20,000 commission right there. That's huge. That's somebody's annual salary right there. What if it wasn't 500,000? What if it's only 50,000? Would you be okay with a $2,000 check hitting your bank account just for linking them up with their resource? Okay, so this is what we're talking about. There's so many other resources of the $3,000 for the white label program. So that gets more into people that already have financial services, but there's so many other services that we offer. We can't fit everything into this presentation. Okay, so when you refer other affiliates, let's say you are a networker, people follow your lead. Maybe you're already in network marketing and you have a team. Listen, Novate is the pinnacle for network marketers. All right, we are able to earn the best blend of upfront money, residual money, long-term money, overrides, and also what you see here on the screen right here, which is our customer acquisition bonus. So when a new affiliate gets started and make a few sales, you earn from $100 up to $600 just for helping them do so. And then it also pays down multiple levels as well. So you can get paid up to $500 for somebody else on your team bringing in an affiliate. Okay, so bonuses are paid weekly and to unlimited levels. Okay, so as long as someone's filling up that level or not filling up that level, that goes to you. So that's amazing. Okay. So let's look at the residual potential here because listen, your bills are residual. Your bills come every single month. Why not have something set up where you get paid every month passively? That's called residual income. It's based on the work that you did prior months, prior years, and it keeps on paying you every month. So help three affiliates get two customers. Okay. Help three affiliates get two customers and watch what happens here. Okay. So month one, you have three affiliates come on in, help you get two customers. Guess what? That's $300 bonus that's paid out to you, and you unlock the $50 residual level, 350 bucks. Not much to write home about, but listen, that's money that you didn't have. Now, here's what happened next month. Those three affiliates, they do the same thing. They said, hey, you showed me the ropes. I'm going to do exactly what you did. There's 9 people right there. And now those people entered into your organization, you made $1,400 and you didn't necessarily do the work. I want you to understand this. This is called leveraged income. This is when you're able to earn overrides and leverage the work of others. And there's nothing wrong with that because if you work a job, then you know that your boss is leveraging your work. The CEO of Pepsi is leveraging the work of all their distributors and the people in the plants. So why not be the top of your own organization? That's what this is. Now you will also unlock the 250 per month level. That's $1,700. Listen, it just keeps going down and down. Imagine 8 months being able to gross over $400,000. Now, of course, this is a hypothetical situation, but numbers don't lie. What if you're able to do 1% of that? That's still more money than you had when you guys started, okay? But we also have the incentive to be able to earn car bonuses and mortgage bonuses as well. But we have learning platforms. You don't have to feel like you're going in alone. You don't have to feel like you have to be an expert to get started, but you do have to get started to become an expert. And how do you do that? We have training videos that are unique and custom tailored to the audience, which is you, okay? So it comes and meets you exactly where you're at as a brand new person trying to learn this financial services game, and we are able to teach you, and you learn at your own pace, which is what I really like about that. Maybe you're not in a rush to necessarily be at the top of the compensation plan. But maybe you are in a rush to be at the top of compensation plan. Maybe you watch all the videos in one night, So let the adventure begin. Train a network with 6 and 7 figure earners. You got to get in the room. See, the problem is sometimes our circle, it doesn't have enough successful people in it. And so when we're trying to grow, we're hitting corners. We're hitting our head on the ceiling that's been put before us because the people around us either don't believe in our vision or they just don't have enough resources themselves to help push us. Sometimes we have to get around some people that can get us around some great ideas, and that's exactly what Nove is. Okay, so we have bilingual events, yacht parties, and lifestyle events. In Miami this year was amazing. Leaderboard competitions, monthly cash prizes, quarterly trainings, live customer support. You can learn as you go. But guess what, y'all? It's time to join. So this right here is what you need. You only need $200 to be an affiliate basic. It's only $49 per month. You get member discounts, cash back on travel and shopping, the novemoney.com replicated website with your name and your photo on it. You get ongoing financial education, Nove Learn, that's the training section, live training, marketing tools. We have so many free marketing tools that you can take advantage of. And then we also have ones that you can pay for so you can actually have print to hand out. We have business credit training. A lot of people join just for the business credit training so that they can learn how to maximize their funding opportunities and payouts up to $3,000 per customer. That's a win-win situation. But if you really want to maximize what you're earning and maximize what you're able to do here in the limited time on God's green earth that we have, listen, you want to go pro. Somebody put go pro in the comment section because that's what you want to do. It's $349 to go pro and the $99 per month, but for a limited time. When I say limited, that means one morning when we wake up, this sale is not going to be here anymore. Okay, you're going to have to go back and do what I had to do and pay the full $349 to get started. But it's only $199 right now. It's the same price as basic to get started, but it's going to give you access to the credit services. That's a $199 value by itself. Okay, but then you're also adding on the payouts up to $3,000 per customer, up to $600 per qualified affiliate, team overrides, rank-based monthly residual, rank-based luxury and mortgage program. Okay, so these are things that you're able to do right away and be able to say, look, I want to be a part of building a legacy. I want to be a part of doing something for my family tree that maybe wasn't done for me. Or maybe you have big shoes to fill and you want to find your own way in this world. Well, what better way than helping other people not only get into houses, build businesses, but get out of debt and not leave an inheritance of debt, but leave an inheritance of abundance. That there's just so much that you can do with this opportunity. Plus, you get 5 customers or affiliates on your same level, and you don't pay that monthly fee anymore. All right, so wave that goodbye. And all of this is a tax write-off. So the money that you pay monthly, the money that you pay to join, it's all tax write-off. So it saves you big time on taxes. And also a portion of all proceeds go to support families and schools in underserved communities through the nonprofit Nove Cares. So you get to do all of this with the icing on top, knowing that we're helping back to school drives, senior centers initiatives, and things like that all across the country. Now, you have 3 people. There's only 3 people making a decision right now. Okay, 3 types. One person says, look, I'm not interested. I'm happy with my financial situation. I'm already a millionaire. I talked to somebody earlier. They were already multi-millionaire. They didn't want to help anybody, which I thought was kind of weird because, most people are in situations and blessed with abundance of money so that they can be a blessing to other people. But hey, to each his own. But maybe you're not looking for more, but what you can at least do is share this information on your Facebook page, share it with somebody that needs a fresh start. And maybe this opportunity is not for you, but it is for somebody in your network. I can guarantee it. Number 2 says, look, I'm interested, but I got some questions. Okay. How does this work? How does this compensation plan work? If we're paid, does it go directly to my bank account? Or what kind of things do I need to put on my Facebook page? What kind of posts am I going to need to make? We have all of those answers for you, but you got to get to a point where you have a sufficient feeling that all of your questions have been answered and you're ready to get started. And those are the people that we're ready to help right now. So, if you have questions, great. Get back to the person that invited you. But number 3 says, look, I'm ready to get started right now with one or more of the services, with the affiliate program. I'm ready to get started with both, and we're here to help you out. Actually, you're going to get that free vacation voucher that we were talking about earlier to one of 50 different locations all across the country whenever you get started. All right, so that's really, really cool. So just text 1, 2, or 3 to your inviter now. Hopefully, you're going to go ahead and text them the number 3 or at least the number 2. And if you are number 1, we're going to give you a post that you can use, or you can just share this video that you're seeing right now. We do appreciate it, and we'd like to welcome you. If we can be the first to welcome you to Nove and the financial future that you truly deserve. We want to see you in one of these pictures from one of these cities all across the country, one of these different trips that we're on, one of these blueprint conferences that we attend, but we want to be able to see you in the building. Welcome to Nove, and we are definitely excited to have you. Okay, so everybody, we will go ahead and get out of here. Definitely get back to the person that has got you on here because they got something special for you. They definitely want to be able to bless you in a way that's is financially, but with whenever we save money, guess what? That's a financial blessing, ain't it? So go ahead and save that 150 off today and get started. Does anybody have any closing words they want to give to the people? All right. Let's hear one testimonial. Let's do that. At least one testimonial. Tell the people how Nove has been able to impact your life.
Well, I would like to say Nove has been a phenomenal blessing, amazing blessing to me. And because of Nove and because I am now getting my credit more healthier, now I'm going to be able to purchase those high ticket items that there were times when I was not able to even purchase, as well as I'm learning now how important credit is and how important it is to have high credit score. So I am blessed to be a part of Nove, and I found that joining Nove was a no-brainer for me.
Come on, Wani. That's what I'm talking about. She said, look, Nove is a no-brainer, y'all. Come on, man. Increase your credit, be able to make those high ticket purchases. And right now you're saving $150 off our top affiliate package. You might as well go ahead and dive on in. But we'll go ahead and end there. Thank you so much for attending this. We're going to be back, okay? We're going to be back at 8 o'clock Eastern. That's plenty enough time for you to join. Tell a few people about what we're doing, and then that way you can invite them to the live as well. Okay, that's going on at 8 p.m. Eastern. So we'll see you then, and God bless, and we'll see you on the inside later.